Hi everybody, this is Velvet. I'm here today with a very small unboxing. I received over the weekend our Atelier monthly box, and so I thought I would unbox it with you. So this is how it comes packaged. It's really quite lovely. It's this handmade paper. Hopefully you can see it. And then they always put your name on something here. I've used the handmade paper quite a bit. It's really quite nice. And the stamps that are inside the box are stamped here so that you can see what's in there. Looks like it's going to be a nice theme. So, let's get this bad boy open. If I can figure out how. I've only done this like 3 other times. You'd think I'd know how to open it. It's not as easy as it looks. And I'm sure that's not the right way. Oh, it's cracking me up. Well, I'm just going to rip it then. It's just a box. I can always use the cardboard, right? I'm sorry for the noise. Sorry. Alright, so let's set the box aside. First, it looks like we have some washi tape. Oh, this looks lovely. See, they box everything so nicely. Oh, look at this. Can you see that? That is fantastic. Oh, I love it. It's a nice aged color. And then we have a stamp here. Like I said, they wrap everything so nicely. Boy, I'm having issues with getting things unwrapped today, but so this is what this stamp looks like. Very lovely. I would usually try and save that cellophane, but... And here are some clear stamps. This is what we saw on the cover of the box. Very pretty. Oh, that was the wrong side. I'm having a day. Very nice. Got a little bit of a train theme. I love that. My husband is a huge fan of trains, so maybe I can make him some cards. Then they always send these little glassine envelopes filled with all sorts of treasures. This one has some little tickets, it looks like. Little old ads or something. Very nice. And then look at this. It's just jam-packed with things. I won't go through each and everything. That can be a little boring, but then you'll get an idea of what's in these. And I will link to our Atelier so that you can check them out yourself. But we've got all these little tags. These are some cardstock little ticket things. This is on some handmade paper. Very pretty. More handmade paper. This is quite lovely. Oh, look at the little booklet. How cute is that? More little things made to look antique. Very nice. And then they've been sent, this is a cute little dictionary page. Oh, I got 2 this time. They've been sending these. I haven't used my pink one from last month yet, but it's really cool. And then just kind of lots more of these things, some vellum. Just a lot of cute little things. And then here's the second one. I mean, this is just seriously jam-packed with stuff. There's got to be well over 100 things all together, which is nice. Oh, those are cute. Yeah, so these are the stickers. So that's what they do, I forgot to say. This package will be all stickers, and the other one is non-stickers, so like cardstock and vellum and things. So you've got all kinds of things going on here. Very nice. Really, really enjoy these. Oh, look at that cute. I mean, these are great for junk journals, or if you like kind of a vintagey layout or card, then this would be great. These are wonderful. All sorts of things. And of course, they're not really vintage. They're just made to look vintage, but that's okay. I mean, you know, it can be hard to find some of the vintage tickets and things, and then you spend a lot more to get them. So it's just really your preference. These are some nice papers. This feels like kind of a rice paper. Hopefully that's in frame. I don't know about my lighting today. I tried to beef it up. I'm not sure if you can tell. Wow, that is really cute. And a little disturbing. Yeah, so we've definitely got quite the train thing going on. Here's some homemade paper. Oh, this one's lovely. This is not paper. This is, I can't tell what it is. It's almost like a fabric. It's a mesh. That is quite nice. Oh, look at that homemade paper. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then a couple of copied ledger pages for you. And that will do it for today. So hopefully you enjoyed that unboxing, and I will be back. I have a lot of Amazon and AliExpress, and I think something else coming too. So I will be back with more next week. Thanks for watching. Bye now.